This video may include stock footage, product clips, and information from manufacturers or Amazon listings. All details and claims belong to the respective brands. Top Product Source is not responsible for product accuracy or performance. Content is shared under fair use, Section 107, Copyright Act 1976, for purposes like review, comparison, and education.
Hey everyone, if you're confused between the Dyson V10 and the Dyson V15, this video is for you. Today, I've tested both models, and I'll tell you which one is actually worth your money. Let's get started. Dyson V15 is the newer and smarter version with more power, while Dyson V10 is lighter, simpler, and still a great choice for budget buyers. I've personally used both, so this is a real hands-on comparison, not just specs on paper. Let's start with the Dyson V10. Even though it's a few years old, it still performs impressively well. What I noticed first was how lightweight it feels, only around 5.9 pounds, so cleaning for long periods doesn't make your hand tired. The battery lasts up to 60 minutes in eco mode, which is perfect for small to medium apartments. Of course, if you switch to the higher suction mode, the runtime drops, but that's expected. The 14 cyclone system really works. Even when the bin is half full, suction doesn't drop. And the whole machine HEPA filtration traps 99.99% of microscopic dust particles, a big plus for people with allergies. There are a few things I genuinely love about the V10: strong suction, consistent power, 14 cyclone technology, whole machine filtration, 60-minute cordless runtime, and it's super easy to use and clean. It's lightweight, efficient, and still worth it for most homes. Now, the Dyson V15 is like a tech upgrade. It's slightly heavier, but way more powerful and intelligent. It has a laser dust detection system that literally shows invisible dust on your floors. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. The V15 also has an LCD screen that shows real-time data, like battery life, suction mode, and even the amount of dust it's picking up. With a stronger motor, it can pull out dirt from deep carpets. The advanced filtration captures ultrafine dust, and the battery runs up to 70 minutes, depending on your mode. My favorite things about the V15 are its powerful suction with smart sensing, laser dust detection, LCD screen with live cleaning data, long battery life, and excellent filtration system. It's perfect for pet owners, large homes, or anyone who wants deep cleaning with smart features. So, which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and want a lightweight, reliable cordless vacuum, the Dyson V10 is more than enough. It's durable, easy to maintain, and performs well for everyday cleaning. But if you want the best of Dyson technology, with smart sensors, laser precision, and top-tier suction, then go for the Dyson V15. It's pricier, but it's absolutely worth it if you love clean perfection. To sum it up, Dyson V10 gives you great value, simplicity, and solid performance, while Dyson V15 gives you smarter cleaning and maximum power. No matter which one you pick, you're getting Dyson quality and innovation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which Dyson you'd choose, the V10 or the V15.